Okay, now student, we will discuss about the meaning of infrastructure. So infrastructure refers to all such activities, services and facilities which are needed to provide different kinds of services in the economy. So the meaning of infrastructure refers so many economic activities, services, facilities, all these things. Okay, so infrastructure refers are those activities, that means basically infrastructure refers to some economic activities, some services and some facilities. So that means from infrastructure, what we get from infrastructure, we get some services, we get some facilities, we get some activities. These are the things that are related to infrastructure, and that is why which are needed to provide different kinds of services. So that means infrastructure provides different kinds of services to different sectors, like in agriculture, infrastructure will different kinds of services. In manufacturing sectors, in service sectors, there are different sectors, and in these different sectors infrastructure gives different types of services so that they can work smoothly. Their time consuming will definitely will less if we make some appropriate or improved infrastructure. Okay, and that is why infrastructure provides supporting service in the main areas of industrial and agricultural productions, domestic and foreign trade and commerce. So infrastructure provides supporting service in main areas of industrial and agricultural productions. So infrastructure provides supporting service, basically the main areas of industrial and agricultural productions, domestic, foreign trade and commerce. So these are the sectors that basically infrastructure supports. Without the help of infrastructure, we cannot improve agricultural productions, domestic trade, foreign trade and etc. And that is why it says that the infrastructure provides supporting service to these sectors. Infrastructure is an umbrella term service. Actually infrastructure is like a umbrella terms. Actually it is like a umbrella term. Why it is called umbrella terms? Because all these sectors comes under infrastructure. Okay, no sectors can improve without the help of infrastructure, and that is why the infrastructure is like a umbrella terms. It is a umbrella terms, and that is why it gives several activities, it gives several services to different sectors. That is why the word umbrella terms is used here, because all these sectors, whether it is agriculture, manufacturing, industrial, service sector, all these sectors comes under the umbrella of infrastructure. Without the help of infrastructure, all these sectors cannot improve, cannot develop. And that is why infrastructural services include public works like railways, roads, major irrigation works and public utilities like power, telecommunication, sales and some other services also. So that means we understand that the meaning of infrastructure is not only in economic activity, the meaning of infrastructure is related to social activities also. Social activities means infrastructure includes some public works. Public works means these are the social activities like railways, roads, health, okay, telecommunication, all these are comes to social sectors improvements. And without the help of infrastructure, we cannot improve railways, roads, health, telecommunications, all this all these fields we cannot improve without the help of infrastructure. Okay, and all this comes to the social sectors. Some of these services have a direct impact on the working of the system of production. So there are some services like railway service, road service, health service, telecommunication service. Among these services there are some services which are directly linked to the productions, like irrigation, like roads, okay, like telecommunications, okay. There are some powers. These are the services which are directly connected to the system of productions. okay, while other give indirect support the building of social sector of the economy. Whether there are some other sectors like health, telecommunications, okay, these are the services which are indirectly support the improvement of social sectors. That means ultimately we can say that the meaning of infrastructure is to build the economic sectors, and also at the same time also to improve the social sectors, because without the help of infrastructure we cannot improve neither economic sectors nor social sectors. Okay, next we will discuss economic infrastructure and social infrastructure.